What if there were places on Earth so rich, so overflowing with life, minerals, water, or natural power, that they seem almost unreal? From forests containing millions of species, to oceans filled with endless schools of fish, to underground caves packed with crystals larger than humans, our planet hides places of unimaginable abundance. Some are bursting with biodiversity. Others contain resources worth trillions of dollars. And a few are so extreme that scientists still struggle to fully understand them. Tonight, we're exploring the most abundant places in the world, places where nature went beyond limits. And trust me, number one might completely change how you see Earth. The most abundant places on Earth. If there is one place that defines abundance on Earth, it's the Amazon rainforest. Stretching across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest on the planet. But its true power lies in what lives inside it. Scientists estimate the Amazon contains over 390 billion individual trees, more than 16,000 tree species, millions of insect species, thousands of birds, mammals, reptiles, and fish. And every year, researchers continue discovering new life forms. Some scientists believe parts of the rainforest still remain almost completely unexplored. The Amazon also produces enormous amounts of oxygen and stores billions of tons of carbon, making it one of Earth's most important ecosystems. Its rivers carry more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Imagine standing in a forest so massive that it creates its own weather. Rain clouds rise from the trees themselves. Without the Amazon, Earth's climate could look completely different. Yet despite its abundance, the forest is disappearing rapidly due to deforestation. Every minute, sections vanish forever. And with them, species humanity may never even discover. At first glance, the Dead Sea looks lifeless. But beneath its strange waters lies one of the richest mineral concentrations on Earth. Located between Jordan and Israel, the Dead Sea is nearly 10 times salter than normal ocean water. Because of this extreme salinity, the water is packed with valuable minerals like magnesium, potassium, calcium, bromine. The mud itself is considered so nutrient-rich that it's used in cosmetics and skin treatments around the world. But here's what makes the Dead Sea truly incredible. Its mineral deposits are worth billions. For centuries, civilizations mined the area for salts and chemicals. Even ancient Egyptians reportedly used materials from the Dead Sea during mummification. And despite its name, the Dead Sea remains one of the most resource-rich bodies of water on Earth. Beneath the waters off Australia lies a living structure so gigantic, it can actually be seen from space. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system on Earth. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it contains nearly 3,000 separate reefs. But its greatest abundance is life itself. This underwater world is home to more than 1,500 species of fish, hundreds of coral species, sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, giant clams, and countless microscopic organisms. Coral reefs occupy less than 1% of the ocean floor. Yet they support nearly 25% of all marine species. That makes reefs among the most biologically abundant ecosystems on Earth. Some fish here exist nowhere else in the world. And at night, the reef transforms into an alien landscape glowing with bioluminescent creatures. But climate change is pushing the reef toward collapse. Mass coral bleaching events have already damaged huge sections. Scientists warn that one of Earth's richest ecosystems may be fighting for survival. Deep within Central Africa lies another giant of abundance. The Congo Basin. Often overshadowed by the Amazon, the Congo rainforest is the second largest rainforest on Earth. But what makes it extraordinary is its raw concentration of wildlife. This region is home to forest elephants, mountain gorillas, okapis, chimpanzees, thousands of bird species, and hidden beneath the jungle floor, enormous mineral wealth. The Congo contains massive reserves of cobalt, copper, diamonds, gold, coltan. Many of the batteries powering modern smartphones and electric vehicles rely on materials extracted from this region. In a strange way, parts of modern civilization are powered by the abundance hidden beneath these forests. Yet the region faces conflict, illegal mining, and deforestation. A place overflowing with natural riches has also become one of the most contested landscapes on Earth. When people think of abundance, they usually imagine jungles or fertile land. But one of Earth's greatest treasures is frozen solid. Antarctica contains around 70% of the planet's fresh water. Locked inside ice sheets kilometers thick, lies enough water to dramatically raise global sea levels if melted. The continent is also home to incredible marine abundance. Its surrounding waters are packed with krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures that form the foundation of the Southern Ocean food chain. Whales, seals, penguins, and fish all depend on them. In fact, Antarctic krill may represent one of the largest concentrations of animal biomass on Earth. And hidden beneath the ice, scientists suspect there may be untapped oil, gas, and mineral reserves. But for now, international treaties protect Antarctica from large-scale exploitation, making it one of the few places on Earth where abundance still remains mostly untouched. The Sahara Desert looks empty. But appearances can be deceiving. Beneath the scorching sands lies one of the largest underground water reserves on Earth. Known as fossil aquifers, these ancient water systems were formed thousands of years ago when the Sahara was green. Some estimates suggest trillions of gallons remain trapped underground. The Sahara is also rich in phosphate minerals, oil, natural gas, iron ore, solar energy potential. In fact, scientists have calculated that covering only a tiny fraction of the Sahara with solar panels could theoretically generate enormous amounts of electricity from multiple continents. The desert may appear barren, but hidden below and above its sands is astonishing abundance. The Pacific Ocean is so large, it covers more area than all Earth's land combined. Inside this immense blue world exists an almost unimaginable abundance of life and resources. The Pacific contains massive fisheries, deep-sea ecosystems, rare minerals, hydrothermal vents, vast oxygen-producing plankton populations, and some scientists believe the seafloor may contain billions of tons of valuable metals like nickel and cobalt. Yet much of the Pacific remains unexplored. In fact, humanity knows more about parts of the moon than the deepest areas of Earth's oceans. Creatures unlike anything seen before continue appearing in deep-sea expeditions. Giant squid, transparent fish, bioluminescent predators. Entire ecosystems living around underwater volcanic vents. The Pacific may very well be the largest reservoir of undiscovered life on Earth. Deep beneath Mexico lies a place so surreal, it almost feels like another planet. The Cave of Crystals in Naica contains some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered. Some gypsum crystals grow over 11 meters long and weigh more than 50 tons. The cave formed through mineral-rich water heated by magma over hundreds of thousands of years. The result? A hidden underground world overflowing with gigantic crystals. But entering the cave is extremely dangerous. Temperatures can exceed 50 degrees Celsius with nearly 100% humidity. Without protective gear, humans can survive only minutes. It's one of Earth's most extreme examples of mineral abundance. A place where geology created natural wonders beyond imagination. Far in the north lies another region overflowing with hidden riches. The Arctic. Scientists estimate the Arctic may contain around 13% of the world's undiscovered oil and 30% of its undiscovered natural gas. Huge mineral reserves also exist beneath the frozen landscape. As ice melts due to climate change, nations are racing to claim access to these resources. But the Arctic is also home to fragile ecosystems filled with unique wildlife. Polar bears, narwhals, massive walrus colonies, migratory birds. The region represents a dangerous balance between abundance and preservation, a place where humanity's hunger for resources could reshape one of Earth's last wild frontiers. When we talk about abundance, perhaps the greatest answer is Earth itself. Our planet contains endless ecosystems, vast oceans, mountains rich in minerals, forests filled with life, underground rivers, atmospheric energy, and biological diversity beyond comprehension. Scientists estimate millions of species may still be undiscovered. Entire ecosystems remain hidden deep underground and beneath the oceans. And every year, new discoveries remind us how little we truly know. Earth is not just abundant. It is overflowing with mysteries. The real question is whether humanity can protect these incredible places before they disappear. Because abundance is not infinite. And once lost, some wonders may never return. From endless jungles, to frozen continents, to oceans deeper than imagination, our planet is overflowing with wonders beyond belief. These abundant places remind us that Earth is still full of mysteries waiting to be explored. But many of these incredible worlds are changing faster than ever before. The question is, will future generations still be able to witness them? If you enjoyed this journey across Earth's richest and most extraordinary places, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing documentaries. Which place shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.